What is the motivation for Peugeot to move to Gurun? Because it's unprecedented in this country. No French manufacturer, I think, has had equity in manufacturing facility anywhere in this country. So this is a major move.
We don't want to keep a factory unutilized. So of course, within 3 years, we have to put the right products at the right pace in this factory, and that's our ambition, that's our plan, in order to make sure that it will be fully utilized after 2020.
That's quite ambitious.
Yes, that's ambitious, but we must be ambitious because we believe in this region, because we know that there are a lot of potential customers that want something different, that want something unique, and that are ready to trust us as long as we are able to meet their demand, their requirements. And this factory is the way to make sure we will be a real local player with the right products. So today, I told you we are selling 10,000 cars a year. It means by 2020, we have to multiply by 5 this size. Why not? If we have the right products in this factory with the right price and right guys.